Hey guys, I'm Shawn Cheek of WebPianoTeacher.com. Today we're doing a Guess Who song off of the Share the Land album. It's called Do You Miss Me, Darling? All right, sounds like this. And then the singing starts right there, as I always say. Well, guys, I teach a different way than using traditional music notation or just chord sheets or whatever. I write letters on a whiteboard, and we talk about chords, we talk about technique. We don't dumb anything down. I give you everything you'd normally get, probably a little more, a lot more in some cases than you would get from sheet music. But anyway, it works for people who have struggled with traditional piano lessons or music lessons, and you just need a different way to learn. Some people just need a different way to go. They can get there and do it, but they just need a different way to get there. So that's what I'm here for. I've been doing this for the last 30 years and the last 17 years online. It works for a lot of people. And if you feel like you're talented or you just love music and something's in your way, maybe this will work for you. All right, so this is my next hired request on the list, and I love doing anything Bert Cummings. It's just really cool. Now, I will say at the beginning, I wrote D, F sharp, A, D in the right and left hand on D. But as I begin playing this, because first I just transcribe it, I don't actually play it, I just write what I'm hearing. As I'm playing it, I feel like I'd rather have an octave in the left hand than F sharp, A, D on the right. I don't know, sometimes I feel like doing all four notes. I don't know what Bert does because I don't have a video of him playing it, but you can do either way. Do an octave or let your right hand take all four notes, all right? I might go back and forth, I don't know. But the rhythm is 1, a 2, and dun, dun. So you have a D chord to start with, F sharp, A, D, okay? And the rhythm is dun, 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 dun. And yeah, some of you have trouble with vamping and you want to, what do I do? The best thing to do is get away from the piano, get a pair of bongos or just a desk to beat on, play the song really loud, and play the drums with it like you did when you were in junior high, okay? Just play the drums while you're hearing it. Try to match the song, match the drum beat, and then that gives you a feel of how to do the rhythm in this. And then when you go back to the piano, you'll be amazed how much better it feels, okay? So that's where it lies. It's not a note problem, it's a rhythm issue, and that's how you get it out. You just take the piano away and start drumming on a desk or something, and it'll help you. It really will. Or if you have a set of drums, that's even better. Now, the next measure is a G chord, G, B, D, and as I'm just going to play that bottom note on the left hand, 1, a 2, and then you have a fill that is up higher, C and D together with 4 and 5, B, A, G, ba, da, ba, ba. So the beginning is dun, 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 1, a 2, okay? Now this is a hard lick because you gotta go F, F sharp, D, A. And some of you have trouble getting down there and you're gonna complain about that. It's an F sharp to D with 2-5. Now if you can do it, you know, I can't really see it. My microphone's in the way, so I'm kind of guessing. I'm getting it mostly. If that's trouble for you, you can let the left hand take the A. But if you can go, then that's great. But all right, F sharp, D, A, F sharp, D with 2-5. So 1 and 2 and. This rhythm goes 1 and 2 and. Next measure, done, dun, dun. Now here I wrote G, D, B, just because I hear that as a voicing. Right, so that D is actually that D, that B is actually that B. I just hear da da da, and maybe Bert's bringing that out because he probably can voice certain notes and make the chord that B sound louder. But da da da, but I'm gonna go G, D, right, left, and then play the whole chord there. Bum, ba, bum, bum. If you're using both hands like this, do it that way, or. So G, B, D, C, G, E, back to G, B, D, and 2 and, okay? So from out here. All right, so the whole intro is 1, a 2, and 1, a 2, and So I love this style. So this is a way that my whiteboard style kind of works better for us, because Bert is improvising rhythms when he plays it. Even when he does it today, he's not going off a sheet and playing exactly what's on there like it's a Beethoven score of a symphony, and every note has to be. No, that's not how you do this type of music. You just feel the rhythm and you fill in, you know. That's what he's doing, and this kind of lends itself to that learning that style of playing. Okay, so work on that intro. And like I said, we finished the rest of the lessons on the website, and you can download the sheets. And there's other Bert Cummings songs, other Guess Who songs that I've already done, and some more that I'm going to do. So lots of good stuff coming to the website. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Talk to you later.